cheetah, Asiatic cheetah, Iranian cheetah, Indian cheetah. The Asiatic cheetah from Hindi Saita, derived from Sanskrit word chitaka meaning speckled ass and onyx jubatus venaticus, is now also known as the Iranian cheetah. As the world's last few are known to survive mostly in Iran. Although recently presumed to be extinct in India, it is also known as the Indian cheetah. During British colonial times in India, it was famous by the name of hunting leopard 3, a name derived from the ones that were kept in captivity in large numbers by the Indian royalty to hunt wild antelopes with. The Asiatic cheetah is a rare critically endangered subspecies of the cheetah found today only in Iran, with some occasional sightings in Balochistan, Pakistan. It lives in its vast central desert in fragmented pieces of remaining suitable habitat. In recent times in the last century this once numerous and common animal was driven to extinction. Elsewhere in its entire former range in Southwest Asia from Arabia to India including Afghanistan, latest research shows that only 70 to 100 Asiatic cheetahs are estimated to remain, most of them in Iran with some sightings Balochistan. This is the result of continuous field surveys, all of which have been verified by the results of more than 12,000 nights of camera trapping inside its fragmented Iranian desert habitat during the past 10 years. The Asiatic cheetah, the Eurasian lynx, and the Persian leopard are the only remaining species of large cats in Iran today, with the once common Caspian tiger having already been driven to extinction in the last century. The recent genetic study has proven the Caspian to be genetically identical to the contemporary Siberian tiger, hinting that habitat fragmentation had separated the two subspecies within the last century. The cheetah is the fastest land animal in the world. The head and body of the adult Asiatic cheetah measure from 112 to 135 centimeters with a tail length between 66 and 84 centimeters. It can weigh from 34 to 54 kilograms, but the male is slightly larger than the female. The Asiatic cheetah once ranged from Arabia to India, through Iran, Central Asia, Afghanistan, and Pakistan. In Iran and the Indian subcontinent, it was particularly numerous. Cheetahs are the only big cat that can be tamed and trained to hunt gazelle. The Mughal Emperor of India, Akbar, was said to have had 1,000 cheetahs. At one time, something depicted in many Persian and Indian miniature paintings. The numerous constraints regarding the cheetah's conservation contribute to its general susceptibility and its very complex conservation requirements, for example, its low fertility rate, the high mortality rate of the cubs due to genetic factors, and the fact that females are the ones who select mates, have been reasons why captive breeding has had such a poor record. A cheetah-specific issue is its limited gene pool. All living cheetahs have very limited genetic diversity due to a near-extinction event some 12,000 years ago. The cheetah will not be a robust, vigorous species anytime in the foreseeable future. By the beginning of the 20th century, the species was already heading for extinction in many areas. The last physical evidence of the Asiatic cheetah in India was 3 shot by the Maharaja of Sarguja in 1947 in eastern Madhya Pradesh. By 1990, the Asiatic cheetah appeared to survive only in Iran, estimated to number more than 200 during the 1970s. More recently, Iranian biologist Hurmat Sasadi estimated that the number of Asiatic cheetahs left to be between 50 and 100, and figures for 2005 to 2006 are between 50 and 60 in the wild. Most of these 60 Asiatic cheetahs live in Iran on the Kavir Desert. A remnant population inhabits the dry terrain covering the border of Iran and Pakistan. In the areas in which the cheetah lives, locals say they have not seen it for more than 15 years. Extinct from the Arabian Peninsula in 1977. Bedouin hunter with a shot Asiatic cheetah and cub, Thine North Arabian Peninsula, 1925. Widespread hunting of this animal and its prey species along with conversion of its grassland habitat to farmland has wiped it out completely from its entire range in Southwest Asia and India. Critically endangered with extinction, there are less than 100 Asiatic cheetahs in the world. They can only be found in the central desert of Iran.